Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Genji's core kit revolves around precise shuriken placement, mobility, and timing. Genji throws 3 shurikens in a fan with primary fire and 3 in a straight line with alternate fire, so switch modes for spread or focused damage. Swift Strike has an 8-second cooldown and resets on eliminations. Use it to finish low-health targets. Deflect lasts 25 seconds and sends enemy projectiles back toward attackers, making it a powerful counter to hit scan and projectile ultimates. Always manage ammo and cooldowns when engaging. Mastering Genji's movement separates good players from great ones. Use Cyber Agility double jump and wall climb to control high ground and reload safely, always thinking 2 moves ahead. Use Swift Strike to dash through enemies, then reset position. Avoid predictable arcs so tanks cannot punish you easily. Prioritize flanking routes and target supports first to secure eliminations. A quick support pick trades momentum for your team. Maintain unpredictable patterns, use vertical space, and conserve Swift Strike for escape when team pressure rises. Build combos around shuriken burst, mobility, and timing of ultimates. Open fights by landing a fully charged alt-fire combo, then finish with Swift Strike to secure kills. This maximizes burst and forces enemy cooldowns. Use Deflect defensively, then follow with Dragon Blade for 2 to 3 quick eliminations once enemy cooldowns are spent. Coordinate Dragon Blade with speed boosts or crowd control to amplify its impact, and focus targets in priority order: supports, damage, then tanks. When isolated, disengage and reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.